Hey, this is me, and we're hearing this weird sound out here. And it sounds like it's coming from the sky in that direction, and it's been going on for about 30 minutes now. It sounds like a jet airplane. I'll be quiet for a minute. It sounds like an airplane just hovering over my house up in the sky. Kind of sounds too like wind. This is freaky. It's raining here, but there's no severe thunderstorms or anything. It's just a light rain and this noise. I don't know what that is, don't know, but it's freaky. And I'm cold, so I'm getting back in.